Good morning, crypto lovers. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Thanks for hopping back into another video. It's jacobcrypobury here. I'm your host, Jake. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Today we're going to unfold some interesting news and have a look at where the crypto market currently sits. And to start with, I mean, look at this fantastic news right here. This can be very big. This could be like, a competitor to OpenSea and even become like an NFT museum or something. So just scrolling through here, eToro gets into NFTs, launches eToro.art. eToro has launched an NFT platform, eToro Art, a Patreon program to boost NFT artists and showcase NFT collections. So this is kind of cool to see. You see right here, eToro NFT Marketplace ? It's not clear yet if the eToro NFT platform will also be on the marketplace to buy and sell NFTs, but the first press release published on PR Newswire states a $20 million fund will be used to purchase blue chip NFTs as well as seed emerging creators and NFT projects whom eToro will support to bring new NFTs to market. eToro intends to bring power to the fun and community of NFTs to its community of over 27 million registered users and plans to offer new pathways for them to explore and enjoy NFTs. So that's pretty cool. eToro Art program down here, we've got some nice little bullet points. What's confirmed for the first stage of the eToro Art program is to purchase some of the best NFTs, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, and other successful NFTs. Of course, they're going to commit 10 million to the fund of supporting upcoming NFT projects to bring them to market in 2022. Cement eToro as one of the leading NFT collectors in the world. And I think it's very bullish for the NFT space. And the metaverse, Web3, all very young and very early development in contrast to cryptocurrency as a whole. So let's take a little sneak peek, shall we? I think it's important to take a little look at what is going on. And this is the particular eToro Art NFT collection. And you can click on to these particular things. Right now it's just showing you an image, but there is a gallery and they've got their collection here, which you can also take a look at. So if you're an artist or something, if you're making your own NFTs, you can click join the gallery, and this is where it will get started right here through the eToro platform. Very exciting, actually. Brand new, and I'd like to see what's going to happen. And there you go. This is when you begin submitting your NFT, who you are, put your profile in, and boom, you're away. So very interesting to see this. A little bit of an overview on the cryptocurrency today. We've got a lot of the infrastructure projects looking good. Layer 1 infrastructure, all green mostly. We've got a couple of them on the red side. We can see as well exchange tokens are looking very strong, most likely because we're getting a lot of volume in. And DeFi, DeFi as a whole is the biggest one single sector in cryptocurrency. And again, we've got a myriad of opinion here. It's slightly red, slightly green. So we've got a bit of a pullback in the market, but let's unravel some more interesting news for the day, guys. What's going on? UK government has asked the Royal Mint to create an NFT. In short, this means the UK government are bullish on Ethereum because they are having to use Ethereum in order to mint their NFTs. So does this tell us that the UK government are particularly holding Ethereum? Well, it does make me wonder. Another bit of massive breaking news today, guys, is UST staking on Binance is available. This is just from 7th of April. So you can now stake your stable coins and receive 19.63% high yield annual return on Binance, simply on the exchange under the stable coin earning. So it's very easy to do. You've got a 30-day lock-in, you have a 60-day lockup and a 90-day lockup. My favorite personal one is the up to 30,000 because you can chuck in $10,000 getting 14% APY with only a 30-day lockup. And this is kind of funny really because you've got 19.63% APY, 90-day lockup, but the most you can put in is 200 quid. So unless you're going to make about 20 Binance accounts, probably not going to be worthwhile just chucking in that 200. But I guess you can layer each lock-in, which is actually quite interesting, and then it will give you an average APY of perhaps a little bit more depending on how the mathematics side of it works. Another bit of interesting news, MetaMask supports buying crypto with Apple Pay. We can see MetaMask V431 update adds support for cryptocurrency purchases on iOS with Apple Pay. So leading to rumors Apple will adopt Bitcoin at some point. Can you imagine the amount of exposure, millions of more people being able to actually utilize transactions with ease at the tip of their fingers. And I think stuff like this is going to be crazy. So Apple buying Bitcoin, we can see a little teaser right here. Apple has a market cap of $2.85 trillion. That's 35% more than the entire crypto market cap. So can you imagine what happens if this particular technology adopts Bitcoin? We're probably going to see parabolic rallies, and none of this has even happened yet. When it does, this is when people that are not even aware of crypto, people that think, oh, it's a scam, this is when actually these people will be getting on board. So we're still very far behind the herd right now, guys. Very, very great time to enter cryptocurrency. Another bit of breaking news, Terra buys $200 million in Avalanche X for reserves as rival stablecoins emerge. So Terra, Luna, you know, they recently bought a bunch of Bitcoin as well for their reserves, but we can see right here, the company is now accumulating Avalanche, which is really, really cool. Avalanche is still a growing ecosystem. A lot of it is fueled by loyalty to the AVAX token, and the users feel a lot of affinity with an asset that aligns itself with Avalanche X. Whereas for the average Ethereum user, aligning yourself with Ether doesn't really mean that much. Whew, big words, big words. So what does this mean really? Well, NFTs are definitely going to be on the rise, I reckon. If we look at the past 90 days, you know, NFTs have come up a little bit on the Google Trends, but everything has sort of just tip and tailed, slowly dropped off as the greed and the euphoria also diminishes slightly. So NFTs were really, really booming just as cryptocurrency was doing bad, and there is an inverse relationship. So as crypto goes down, the popularity of NFTs tends to come up, and that's what we're seeing right now. NFTs is coming up right now, guys. If we look at the past 30 days, the blue line, NFTs is actually hovering way above cryptocurrency on Google Trend data, which is quite interesting. So what is happening behind the scenes? I've got no ideas. If we chuck in just crypto as well, just to get another data point, right, there we go. So people prefer to type crypto. That might be why. If we look at the 90 days again, crypto is still sitting at top. NFTs is below, but at least it's trending more than just cryptocurrency as a whole. So that's important to understand that, you know, NFTs are surging. And before I wrap up this video, I want to just show you, where is crypto right now? What am I doing? What is my strategy? Well, I like to use almost like a logarithmic regression band. This is the total crypto market capitalization excluding Bitcoin. So what it allows us to see is the strength of the market without the biggest coin in the space. And we can see we're just still in a lull like we were in July 2021, and we're in these green phases, which usually is a nice opportunity for accumulation. We can see every time we're in this green zone, it looks like we've got an opportunity for accumulation. And what's happened right here, we've got donked back down. We've come back down into this almost accumulation range where we just come down to $1.1 trillion market cap. Every time we are in this green so far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, lots of opportunities. It does seem like a good accumulation and hodl range. So what's happened here on the crypto market cap, we got rejected at the 200-day moving average, this white line. We're back into that bull market support band. So it is a little bit concerning. However, if we do hold here, and even if we do hold here, the average value of this, you know, mean line, it's still going up over time. So what that means is the fearful stages are associated with a higher market capitalization. For example, extreme greed in May 2021, the market cap was 1.5 trillion, but the extreme greed now is 1.7 trillion. So does that mean that extreme greed that we will be seeing again will be at 1.9 trillion? Most likely, because it's adoption. We're seeing the long-term adoption, we're seeing the contractions of emotion of the market, all the whales having a bit of fun of us. So right now, it looks pretty good. If you look at this particular, you know, area in time, we've got fear here. We've got fear right here. But last time we were here, right, June 2021, at the same market capitalization, we had greed. So it's crazy to think you can have fear at this market cap and then greed at the same market cap, but only almost a year ago. It is mind-boggling. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like the content, subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon in another one. Bye now, guys.